Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove apps from your Microsoft Store library. This should be a simple and quick process to follow. So let's get started. First, open up your Microsoft Store by clicking on the Open button. Once you do that, wait just a few seconds for everything to load. After it opens up, go ahead and find the Library tab. You'll see it on the left side. Just click on that. Now, to make it easier to see what set it's installed, check the box that says Show Installed Products Only. Once you do that, take a look through the list. You can scroll down to find the app you want to remove. If you see it listed there, you can uninstall it from this screen directly. Or if that's easier, you can also type the app's name into the search bar. When the app shows up in the search results, just click on the uninstall option. Then confirm by clicking uninstall again, and that should remove the app from your computer. So this was a quick and straightforward process. Thanks for watching and take care.